So I just was inside washing my feeders. They can easily get mold in them, so you need to wash them pretty regularly because with everything that goes on. This one actually had a dead bug stuck in the little flower where they drink, so you need to monitor them. All the details on this sprinkle feeder. Easily the most beautiful piece that I own. So you just pop the bottom off and then it opens up, and I always love doing this. How gorgeous is it? Stop. This is just a very gorgeous piece. So we're gonna open up our Hummingbird Nectar, which I get from the Happy Gardens most of the time, but I did run out and I really wanted to get these back out because we've had so many storms lately that I had to bring all of my feeders inside, and some of them got a little yucky because I literally just put them aside and forgot about them. So I cleaned them all out, and I just grabbed some of this really quick from Home Depot, and I'm going to fill her up. So you just pour it in the bottom. Okay, moving on. So to clean these, I just used, I have a old bottle cleaner for this guy right here, which was perfect. And then I also had a straw cleaner, which I just used for the inside of this because it's really soft and it's not going to scratch the glass. So it just helped any spots that had like mold or anything stuck to it. I just, and it was gone. So really easy to clean. Let's fill up this one. It's just so pretty. Okay, this is a smaller hole. So we have a little bit more than a halfway filled here. Look how pretty that looks. Let's get these put up.